Welcome to Balance Echo. Today we're addressing a topic that has become increasingly relevant in our fast-paced world: burnout. Whether you're feeling physically, mentally, or emotionally exhausted, burnout can disrupt all areas of your life. While taking a break or going on vacation might seem like a quick fix, it's important to tackle burnout holistically to prevent it from becoming a recurring issue. In today's episode, we'll explore natural and comprehensive strategies to cope with burnout, focusing on mind, body, and soul. Burnout is a state of chronic stress that leads to physical and emotional exhaustion, detachment, and a sense of hopelessness. It's not just about feeling tired after a long day, it's a deeper sense of being overwhelmed and depleted over time. Many factors can contribute to burnout, including work-related stress, personal life pressures, or the inability to manage responsibilities. Understanding that burnout impacts the whole self, mind, body, and spirit, is essential to developing a lasting, holistic approach to recovery. One of the most important things to understand about burnout is the mind-body connection. Chronic stress causes the body to release excess cortisol, a hormone that, when in constant circulation, can disrupt sleep, digestion, immune function, and mood. This creates a vicious cycle. Mental stress causes physical symptoms, and physical exhaustion further deepens mental fatigue. Recognizing this connection allows us to address both the mental and physical aspects of burnout through holistic practices that focus on healing the entire system. One of the most effective ways to combat burnout is through quality sleep. Burnout often interferes with sleep, causing insomnia or restless nights, which further exhausts the body. Establishing a consistent sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, can help reset your internal clock. Creating a calming pre-sleep routine, like engaging in relaxation exercises, limiting screen time, or using essential oils such as lavender, can help promote deep restorative sleep, which is crucial for recovering from burnout. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in how your body manages stress and energy. When you're burned out, the temptation is to turn to comfort foods high in sugar or processed ingredients. However, these can spike cortisol levels and lead to more energy crashes. Instead, focus on a diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to stabilize your energy. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds can help relax the nervous system and support better sleep. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for achieving mental clarity and reducing stress. By practicing mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to manage them more effectively. Meditation helps calm the mind, reducing the mental clutter that often accompanies burnout. Regular practice can lead to improved focus, better emotional regulation, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference in how you feel and function. So make it a habit to take a mindful pause, breathe deeply, and reconnect with yourself. Mindfulness meditation is an invaluable tool for coping with burnout because it helps you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without judgment. When practiced regularly, meditation can reduce stress, enhance emotional resilience, and promote mental clarity. Start with simple breathing exercises or guided meditations that focus on calming the mind and slowing down the racing thoughts that contribute to burnout. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference in helping your mind reset. Taking mindful breaks throughout the day is also essential in combating burnout. These breaks allow you to pause and reset your nervous system, preventing the buildup of stress. A quick stretch, stepping outside for fresh air, or simply closing your eyes for a few moments to focus on your breath can help you regain focus and recharge. The key is to stay present and aware of your mental and physical state, acknowledging when you need to rest or recenter. Physical movement is another powerful way to combat burnout, but it's important to choose exercises that rejuvenate rather than exhaust. Gentle activities like yoga, walking, or swimming can help release tension from the body while promoting blood circulation and calming the nervous system. Yoga in particular combines movement with mindfulness, making it an ideal practice for releasing both mental and physical stress. Regular movement also encourages the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters that counteract the feelings of fatigue and helplessness common in burnout. Burnout often leaves us feeling isolated or disconnected from others. Rebuilding emotional connections with friends, family, or even support groups can be a powerful antidote. Engaging in meaningful conversations, sharing your experiences, and expressing how you feel can help lighten the emotional load. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. A therapist or counselor can guide you through emotional healing and help you develop coping strategies. Emotional support is an essential component of holistic recovery, reminding you that you don't have to go through this journey alone. Burnout is often the result of overcommitment, so learning to set healthy boundaries is key to preventing and managing it. Start by identifying areas in your life where you tend to take on too much, whether it's work-related responsibilities, social obligations, or even self-imposed pressures. Communicate your needs clearly and don't be afraid to say no when necessary. Time management is another crucial aspect. Schedule regular breaks, prioritize your tasks, and make sure you allow time for self-care. Taking control of your time and energy can significantly reduce the likelihood of burnout reoccurring. Coping with burnout holistically means addressing not just the symptoms, but the root causes, mentally, physically, and emotionally. By nourishing your body with healthy foods, prioritizing rest, practicing mindfulness, engaging in gentle movement, and reconnecting with your emotional needs, you can begin to restore balance and resilience in your life. Remember, recovery from burnout is a journey, not a quick fix. With holistic strategies in place, you can rebuild your energy, reduce stress, and find greater harmony in your day-to-day life. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.